refuse, kill about it. Burn shot. Stop your running around. Right. It's time to straighten right out. Roadblock. Stop your running around. Making trouble every day. Rudy. You know. A message to you, Rudy. Oh, you know me. A message to you. Exclusively. Kill about it.
Alright everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're doing one of my favorites, pasta aglio e olio. What you're going to need is 2 bunches of Italian parsley, some good pasta, I'm using linguine this time, couple bulbs of garlic fresh, and some good olive oil. We're going to start off getting our water to boil. Then we'll take our large frying pan, coat the entire bottom with good olive oil. Once that water is boiling, we add a little bit of salt and put the pasta in there, cook as directed on the packaging. I've got 8 cloves of garlic that I diced up nicely, put into the warm olive oil, let that cook for a minute. We're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. And now that our pasta is just about done, we're going to slowly add pasta to the frying pan. It's okay if a little pasta water gets in there. That'll help things stick to the pasta. Get that pasta coated nicely with the olive oil, garlic, and red pepper flakes. Then I took those Italian parsley leaves, diced them up real small. We're going to add those next. And get that all mixed up real nice. And while I'm mixing that up, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. This is a great dish from my favorite movie chef, also known as midnight pasta. Very easy to make, very flavorful. The whole family's going to love it. It's fresh, it's light, and delicious. Alright, let's plate this up and serve. Come back soon, and we'll see you on the next video.
When our people start